Hi guys, welcome back to my channel VN Craft Toys. Today I show you a mobile phone, a phone. So what is this? What is this phone? This is iPhone 8. Okay, this is iPhone 8. I make it from cardboard. Uh, you see, it have a beautiful screen, rabbit ear screen. Apple logo. The camera, it has 3 camera. Okay, so this phone I make from cardboard. This video I just show you about this phone, and if you want to make these phones, I have another video I already upload. It is in my video in my channel. So if you want to make this, you can watch that video again. That video I show you step by step to make this phone. So now if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and then you subscribe my channel to get more information when I upload a new video. So thank you, goodbye.